Welcome back to Buzzcrick Engineering's YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to adjust the weldment blade on a PM8 pellet mill. First thing you want to do is unclamp the clasp that is holding the two hoppers. Then remove the top hopper. Then remove the clamp. And then you're going to unbolt the 6 bolts that are holding the hopper base. You can also clean out any sticky residue left from whenever you were pelletizing. You can also clean off any dust left on the plate as well. Then you're going to unbolt the bolt holding in between the bearing that's holding on the bearing and the shaft. Then you're going to unbolt the top nut. Then remove the washers underneath the top nut. Just make sure you remember what order they were on. You may have to shake the bearing loose to get that middle bolt out. Then you are going to remove the bearing from the shaft. Then remove the second machine washing bearing that is underneath. Then you're going to remove the die plate. Now you're going to take an Allen key and loosen the screws underneath the weldment. Once you have that done, now you can adjust the blade weldment to wherever you would like. If it's really tough to make the adjustments, you can try scraping off any sticky residue left from your pellets. Ours has a double blade weldment that we use specifically for testing. All the other ones will have a single blade weldment. Place the blade weldment where you like. Then rescrew the hex bolt onto the weldment. Place the die back on. You can use a dead blow hammer if needed. Then the remainder is just doing what we did to take it apart, but just in reverse. It is important to note that the top nut needs to be as tight as it can be. The tighter it is, the more effective it is. And there you have it. That is how you can adjust your weldment blade on your pellet mill. These steps can also be used to break down your pellet mill for cleaning or to tighten the top nut or just to replace the die plate. Thanks for watching.